Hi, my name is Georgia Brooks. I'm 12 years old. I love to sing. I play the guitar, I dance, I play the piano, and I also play the mandolin. I believe that I have the X Factor. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall in the major lift, the baffled king composing, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a guy above, and all I ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew ya. It's not a cry you can hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a cold and it's a